Box jump, enhancing lower body explosiveness and vertical jump height. They also contribute to improve cardiovascular fitness and balance and coordination. Split jumps increase lower body strength and power, improve cardiovascular endurance, and enhance balance and coordination. Hollow hold improve core strength and stability, better posture, and reduce risk of lower back pain.
Bicycle crunchers are a popular core exercise known for strengthening the abdominal muscles, including the rectus abdominis and obliquus, while also engaging hip flexor and improving stability and flexibility rate. The dead bug exercise is a core exercise that offers a variety of benefits including improved core strength and stability. The step-ups are versatile exercises that offer numerous benefits for your lower body and overall fitness. They primarily strengthen the quadricep, hamstring, glutes, and calves while also improving balance, stability, and core strength. Additionally, the lateral bounce, also known as ice skaters, offer various benefits including improved balance, coordination, and lower body strength, particularly in the glutes, quads, and hamstring.
Warming up before any physical activity is essential. It prevents injury by making your muscle and more flexible and ready for action. Beyond safety, a warm-up boosts your performance by improving muscle function and coordination. It also prepares you mentally, helping you focus and get in the zone. Essentially, warming up makes your workout safer, more effective, and more enjoyable. Proper breathing and bracing provide crucial benefits for exercise and overall well-being. They protect your spine by creating internal pressure that stabilizes it, especially during heavy lifting. This stability also enhances performance, allowing you to generate more power and maintain better form. The Russian twist is an excellent core exercise that primarily strengthens your oblique and the entire abdominal area, including your six-pack muscles. It's great for building overall core stability and improving rotational power. Jump squats are a dynamic exercise that primarily build explosive lower body power, making you jump higher and sprint faster. They effectively strengthen your quads, hamstring, and glutes, while also boosting your calorie burn due to their high intensity. Additionally, they improve bone density, enhance core stability and balance, and are versatile equipment free exercise suitable for various fitness routines. Hanging leg raise are also challenging core exercise offering multiple benefits. They intensely activate your entire abdominal wall, especially the lower abs and oblique, for a strong and defined midsection.
Single leg box jumps are a plyometric exercise that provides numerous benefits including increased leg strength and power, improved balance and coordination, enhanced explosive power, and boosted athletic performance. L-sit is core strength and stability but also enhancing upper body strength and flexibility and balance. Lateral bounce improve lower body strength, power, and agility, as well as enhanced balance and coordination. Dragon plug exercise offers significant benefits for core strength, stability, and overall body control.
Depth jumps offer several benefits, primarily focusing on enhancing explosive power and improving athletic performance. What are the benefits that you may gain while doing the workout knees to elbow? It primarily strengthens core muscles, improves hip flexor flexibility, and enhances balance and coordination. Tuck jumps offer a variety of benefits including increased explosive power, improved cardiovascular fitness, enhanced lower body strength, and better coordination and balance. They are a plyometric exercise that can be improved into high-intensity interval training or HIIT to burn calories and overall improve athleticism.
Plyometric push-up are an advanced exercise that work your chest, triceps, abs, and shoulders. Can help burn fat and build muscle. Glute bridge. Stabilizing your glutes and benefits exercise such as walking, running, deadlifts, and squats. It strengthens your core muscle which help you in everyday activities as well as improve your performance in other exercise and sports. Benefits of plank. With planks, you hold a push-up position for a brief period. And the exercise is more than just a trendy workout move. It's a muscle strengthener that makes a great addition to a body weight workout.
Basic box jump benefits. Enhanced explosive powers are excellent for developing explosive strength, which is crucial for athletic performance. And also improves endurance. Regular box jump training can increase your cardiovascular endurance and build lower body strength. This exercise targets the muscle in your legs, helping to develop strength.
Bird dog. The bird dog exercise is a core exercise that improves stability, balance, and coordination while strengthening the lower back, abdominals, and glutes. Reverse crunches. Reverse crunches offer several benefits, primarily focusing on strengthening the core, particularly the lower abdominal muscles, and improving overall stability. Box jumps. Box jumps are a plyometric exercise that provides numerous benefits including increases explosive power, enhanced vertical jump, improved leg strength, and greater cardiovascular fitness. The standing long jump. The standing long jump offers numerous benefits including increased lower body power, improved balance and coordination, and enhanced muscle strength.